We're here doing a Foodscape Revolution Neighborhood Edition update. When did we plant this, Abby?
Like I guess 2 weeks ago, right?
2 weeks ago, you're right. And everything is germinating. It looks really great. We've got the cattle fence here to keep the dogs from going in. And then we have strawberries and broccoli that we planted. And then we seeded buckwheat and crimson clover and millet. And the interesting thing is the millet is in clumps, so it looked like an ornamental grass. But in this side, it's more shady, and then you get to the middle of the bed, and then over this way going towards where it's brighter, and the millet is way ahead of germination. Isn't that kind of neat?
Yeah.
See how just in one foundation bed, the light is different, and the plants will respond differently. So I'm pretty excited about how everything's looking. And what do you want to plant here for the summertime?
I'm not sure.
Do you think like peppers, tomatoes? What else do we like to grow in the summer? Maybe some okra? Yeah. I think we can get creative with this space. And it's easy to get to because there's the front door. And there's a hose right over there, so managing it is really easy. It's just a foundation landscape bed. Week 2. So a 2-week checkup on Peggy's Foodscape. Abby, what do we have germinating?
Buckwheat.
That's right, buckwheat. And then what do we plant here, Peggy?
We planted purple cauliflower, and around the bend is cabbage. And from here over to the left are all broccoli.
See, you can grow broccoli and ENCORE azaleas all together in a foundation landscape. This was just not a bed at all 2 weeks ago.
No.
It's awesome how much it's grown. All right, our 2-week checkup. The border that I did with Jim Putnam of HortTube, everything looks great. We've had a huge rain overnight, so the ENCORE azaleas are bright and fresh. And then this border of broccoli looks great, and the crimson clover in front, and the buckwheat just sown along the back. Everything is germinating, and it just looks so nice. The strawberries are doing great that we transplanted. And then along this side where we added the blueberries, they're really leafing out now. And all of the seeds are germinating here as well, and the strawberries look great. You can see these are just transplants from my garden, and they are blooming, and they will ultimately produce strawberries this season.